a great choice today with the 2017 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.